I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your OS build and Directx version meet FIFA 23 minimums because mismatches cause runtime errors. Next, update your GPU driver using the vendor app or device manager. This resolves many Directx handshake failures. Also install or repair Visual C++ redistributables and NET runtime, since missing runtimes break libraries FIFA depends on. Once done, reboot Windows to apply drivers and runtimes before launching the game. This clears locks and ensures fresh initialization. Now repair the game installation. Open your launcher and run the Verify or Repair tool to replace corrupted Directx or shader files. After that, clear the FIFA cache and temporary folders in Documents and the game install path to remove stale shader blobs that trigger Directx exceptions. Then run the game as administrator and set compatibility mode if you're on an older Windows build. This forces correct permissions and legacy handling for Directx initialization. If using overlays, disable them to prevent conflicts. Finish with advanced steps. Reinstall the full Directx runtime package to restore missing DLLs and run dxdiag to generate logs. Save them for diagnosis. If errors persist, switch between integrated and discrete GPU to identify driver or hybrid graphics issues and update GPU control panel settings to force the preferred adapter. Make sure to disable third-party overlays and antivirus that hook graphics APIs. If it still fails, consult Event Viewer and dxdiag for exact error codes to target the next fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.